Oh, you know what? I had this idea that Carl's jogging really. Carl's jogging like this. I'm walking and I'm passing him because I walk like Carl's jogging really slowly, but I'm jogging. But I'm walking really fast.
Once I built an ivory tower so I could worship from above. When I climbed down to be set free, she took me in again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in a big hard world. When she comes to greet me, she is mercy at my feet. Yeah. I see her pin her charm, she just throws it back at me. Once I dug an early grave to find a better land. She just smiled and laughed at me and took the blues back again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big in a big hard world. Oh, there's a big hard sun beating on the big people in a big hard.
Stop!
When I go across that river, she is
Victory!
by my side. When I try to understand, she just opens up her hands.
My knee is tearing me! Shit! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Beating on the big people in the big hard world. Once I stood to lose her when I saw what I had done. Bound down and flew away the hours of her God and her son. I tried to